Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside your Android project. Open the Layout XML and place two text view elements with IDs clock 1 and clock 2. Next, ensure you use a responsive container like Constraint Layout so both clocks adapt to screen size. Now create a simple view model or activity field to hold time state. This keeps UI updates lifecycle safe. Once done, add formatting helpers for local-aware time patterns and make sure you import Java Time APIs or 310 ABP for older Android versions. Now implement the ticking logic. Start a coroutine on dispatchers, main or a handler that posts everyone's to update UI. For each tick, compute two zone date time instances, one for local default zone and one for the remote zone using zone ID of America/New York or similar. Then format each with a date time formatter. Of pattern, HH, MM, SS, or localized pattern, assign results to clock 1, text, and clock 2, text. Make sure to cancel the coroutine or remove callbacks in onPause/onDestroy to avoid leaks and drift. Finish by wiring lifecycle awareness. Start updates in onResume and stop them in onPause, or use lifecycle scope tied to the activity/fragment so you don't leak resources. Once running, verify both clocks remain synchronized and reflect the intended zones. If times are wrong, inspect the zone ID strings, device time, and DSD rules. If you still see drift, switch to System, elapsed real time for interval accuracy, and log each tick to narrow down scheduling or formatting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.